My name is Paul Buchanan. I'm the Member of Parliament candidate for West Rural St. Andrew. West Rural St. Andrew have some of the greatest challenges in Jamaica. I believe it needs a Member of Parliament who has the experience, the depth, and the range to deal with the multitude of problems that has developed over the years. We have possibly the worst roads in Jamaica. We have a unique feature in our roads, precipice. But beyond that, our unemployment numbers is possibly worse in Jamaica. The national average is running at about 20%. We would be somewhere closer to 30 or 40%. Our coffee farmers have been destroyed. The challenge is the challenge of marketing for high-end coffee. I would be able to bring the experience to bear based on my time in the public sector and my time in the private sector as an entrepreneur.